How to see your Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings and then scroll all the way down until you find here apps, then click apps again. Now type here Spotify, click on it, then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. This one is for Android phones, and if you have an iOS iPhone, just go to settings, then click general, then click iPhone storage and search for Spotify, click on it and click offload. And if that also doesn't fix it, go to Play Store or App Store and click uninstall and then install again your Spotify, then restart your phone and open it. And I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.